Learn English with RAKIZAR Spoken English course. American English versus British English number 1. American English vacation, British English holiday. Its sentence is, we are going on holiday next week. Number 2. American English cookie, British English biscuit. Its sentence is, I had a biscuit with my tea. Number 3. American English line, British English queue. Its sentence is, we had to wait in a long queue. Number 4. American English sneakers, British English trainers. Its sentence is, I bought a new pair of trainers. Number 5. American English closet, British English wardrobe. Its sentence is, my clothes are in the wardrobe. Number 6. American English drugstore, British English chemist. Its sentence is, I bought some medicine from the chemists. Number 7. American English gasoline, British English petrol. Its sentence is, I need to buy some petrol for my car. Number 8. American English soccer, British English अब आपकी बारी है. अपना जवाब कमेंट्स में जरूर लिखें. Join Spoken English course by RAKIZAR Institute. Register now at +9 2323 8868 000.